Even famra Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonju media so dia we kan se mo sempa esa kan no pen so ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekwo no kwanten coding sama do esa kan no pen so bio e we kan agudim eja so no am say Kingdom Herba one mo an attach the from the Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules aba untimi eno no bitters na betiam mene capsules na boa e mo pomodon sem etime gina yi me pa twa mi statement sambo my system need to answer koye e ma yadewa hodo e pese boro redeem no ene na etimi edi esie kama e san lower blood pressure na fe cholesterol san reduce sugar level no e ma niama etimi koye edema e reduce fat level no e blood limit bo modern da won set me kan Kingdom Garlic Bitters na Kingdom Garlic Capsules a e betia boa e mo pomodon sem so etimi atotoye e dia ma ye the new Kingdom ginseng e power capsules so etimi aba e mema de mesel mema se benyado ba ne da hui ahwene ne guni amasu o de ante sana de achen mesel monsan kan new Kingdom ginseng power capsule bitia mo abodwuma best don hwero ha ne achi na still ogusu ejina so recommended for sexual weakness na fi waist pains na tetel mental stress na hawa dwen a produce energy na fi so boa e ma ultimate release semen na e boa e man quality mi ba fie ma extra power but modern da so sabitia ka the new Kingdom ginseng power capsules no enso ebetin aboa but modern da o hwe Kingdom Herbal Center chiri kwan akọ kan shi drug na won sabitia ka san no papa bi na watimi asa to pharmaceutical shops ne chemical SLS audo ukrobe na do anything sachima on sabetia ka Kingdom Herba wom enu papa bi ubetia from so 0536149961 0536149961 and 0303939987 na fe oni Kingdom Herbal Center yentwetwe komo penu pa bi etwensa to ne moa ema niema 822 ye from ka Kingdom Herbal Center dia o se no challenge adoi bibie ni ho a ebetimi na betia boa ema niema 822 ye edi ama wapomodon sem sanso na game park games edi chacha sonko kwa na etwensa tayechi e ka game park games a boys ni dia edi na nyasem ketwa kra ye de draw na eba so anopa ewe kata banso na fanyumire so etimi etofem ewa Adom TV so entia na wahye no so edi ama ese we eye hyehyɛ sonko kra aboa na boys ni edi from 1 to 39 was selecting numbers ne dia na ese otimi sampa una odam no e ka game park games o se more more power o mutachiri pa na dia no penso nkomo no 18 aba men celebrate kwensha semfamfi media Sporting Club omutu fa edifi Ghana ha esanse afi etwem no omo ane peja franka ne gina kunkun e Ghana Premier League nim edi bonso ane etima kopie mu takwa ene so emu ne ne hye so a na enya asem ke 20 CAF Champions League no omo ana aircode the second phase ahwaboa e ma niama etia koyi elali etima che media Sporting Club etwem ka miensa e o mezima sase so a media ma entimi antibi ti media Sporting Club akensi no ane epono kakra ede kire ma ho sina niama Asia ko we CAF Champions League we enhyehyɛ so kokwa team sampa niama ankoyi amfama media Sporting Club Confederations Cup so Dreams Football Club FA President team na qualify with the FA Cup na ejinam elko kodendren na second phase no so to na model ni 8 sache Tunisia fakache na Club African of Tunisia na 90 minutes ne ba na wie no na say Club African so achi Dreams etwomaka minu a Dreams so entimi anti timi asato for teams ampa ayidio na enye asem ketwa kra no so etwensa piemu ho de Emma Dreams Football Club na so nyame adoma second phase di ombetia sanhwe so mo betimi asade akensi awodo edidi so no etimi asatentam so na fair hwese na nema esi eko ehonum ti Dreams and afa media Sporting Club Ghana two clubs South Africa no nyama entimi ankoyi amfamom yefa ni nchiremu e Ghana Premier League no se na nema ACT a week 12 matches ni bi so etwensa to top film Lagos City Fortress Emma Asante Kotoko etwema kamiensa omte ba kwa team sampa Lagos City amono modern kra Nations Football Club for ananoda omo so ekoba se kotokofo supporters kututu omo nkonya etimiesa papa omo nkane ne ho konya ba no omo so nei omo eche karela etwema ba kuma timi anti house of folk phobia never say die ashedu ketekananom nyankontomrante no omo se ne brekum Chelsea ebo 1-1 ewo Accra Sports Stadium meje di se we any the last gamer has ebo ewo Accra Sports Stadium National Sport Authority for paying for se bro nya die west na nema Asia kwa ne football and sports on konya babia eni tweken bia bronye ame adoma omo de ma walk over crossover, dance over, and I face it over. Now face so kwano. Western nema AC course na dance bi also and no any bit about so na for one for home as and the CC agumano etua san kanti. Nia koban say has one hwa obebo ne home matches no e Kumasi Baba Era Sports Stadium twi and then come also etia pim. Aduana Stars and so any Accra Lions and also ekwe 0-1 na say Accra Lions for and ekwache Aduana Stars etwa mekaba ko Aduana Fia Aduana ye ne hu bia wantimi anjim. Samates echi Real Taman United etwa mekaminu omte kada ba kunso Taman any has of Lions about 0-0.
Wall is well set up before the free kick is delivered. And there's Blay, Ensu, Nuruddin, Morrison, and Fege, Watara forming the wall. Akoto has other ideas. Referee whistles. Akoto steps back. Moro steps forward. And Moro kills one. It's a wonderful goal from Nasiru Moro. Brilliant goal from the Legon City's captain. They've jumped into the lead in fantastic style. It's Legon City's 1, Kotoko 0. I told you, he's a specialist, and this is one from the specialists. Legon City's up by 1-0 against Kotoko.
No, I think it didn't. The wall just didn't move high enough. But then just look at that, the whip, the swerve.
Tarif moves into good space and he switches, looking for Zeze. Chance for Kotoko, and Zeze, good save from Aziz in the corner.
Ball from Zeze. He controls that with the left foot, but it doesn't have a clean strike.
Morrison, he sets up Baba. Here is Baba looking for the space to drive. Baba to Mukwala, flag stays down. City's appeal for offside. Here is Lamte. Now Mukwala goes past Siraj. Come on, Mukwala cuts it back. And there you go, the equalizer comes for Kotoko.
But then good work also from Mukwala. Just goes direct with a shot across it.
Lamte, Kotoko dictating the pace of the game now. A chance for Mukwala. It is Mukwala!
With a vision to find his teammate. But then what about that for a finish?
He stays onside again. It is Tim Desi Mukwala. Can he get a second? And Mukwala unable to score. But Isaac Opon makes it 3-1 for Santi Kotoko. And Mukwala.
Corner kick quickly effected. And that's the first goal from Rekum Chelsea. And the Accra Hearts of Oak players are not too happy. Kofi Essien registers his name on the score sheet.
And then just out of nothing, but Hearts of Oak defenders caught napping over there. That was taken quickly, but then look at them. There was no organization at the back. And then ACN capitalizes, just wins that ball, just volleys it past Richmond. You can see that was just some sluggish, lazy defending from Hearts of Oak.
Good defending by the visitors. But Hearts won't give up this time because with the near side, Gregory comes out! And Hearts are back in the game!
Wow, we just slide that one home. But then the pass to locate him in space. Gregory Abua trying to. That was the pass, that split. Cut the defense wide open. But then you ask, what was Gregory thinking?
Senusmam outstanding fixtures bi ho no me san say dreams for Confederations Cup nintino o ma ken som ne tanabo for campaign for epia e de asheda for Media Sporting Club so ne kesom ne Great Olympics ne boso eno si ohwema CAF Champions League de epia e de quarter for dem Obechem United ene Gold Stars ne ombebo no Bechem nyame adoma ohwe adoya nkwanta for ne obibia e kwota chiraboa e ma niama etimi atoto yi e honom even ni nchiremu e won krafo ma na se Patrick Osajman Kantima Songo wa kradwa wode Songo Steak dwumadi kese no so etimi aba. Hello Songo.
Fantastic morning, Professor.
Hello Songo.
Oh my goodness. Hello, Professor.
Yeah, Songo Matunka.
Otemika.
Philip Matunka.
Fantastic. Hey. Also, actually,
no pray.
So last week I was massa. Yeah, Bob. I said you ever do here,
And cray.
Yes, you said your bar was here, your own meat early those days. And so loudly a play with Now you need to say, as usual, who tease it.
Oh, a bio.
Professional pa.
Oh, a bio pa, just say, a Juma.
Christmas radio,
A Juma, papa.
Professor. More fire. Now, your league in here. Professor, Ghana League here a lot of attention pa ni senior beya nipa ni besa asa kopa ka kohwe Ghana football league matches very important because senior league ni cost na ayam mobo bi eni kamafo eni hwefo eni chese side eni gieni ni o just say, but Ghana, your talent, your players. It is so-called football. Try people. This. So-called football people can't, on any call for and make it sure that Ghana football no league no a beya on the bay in Chishabia almost for my share. Say league never call or autonomous league in to make scale league in to make fantastic and Egyptian players no and Huberto move a very competitive no. Omumfa omu football knowledge nene senia omu pesca with football bunu omu make sure to omu di ahokeka ebe wura Ghana league na league no etimi ai apejama Ghana for league na ma ye talent ni womu yetimi dai enyamfaso afi omu na medi koina on the strongest stake no Blasters players here from more Blasters no and you na correct AFCON na e say this same players template yahu bobo edima Ghana dia Blasters na se nya dia ye kwa ehwe wa AFCON ni betumi lose 3 matches ni nyina ni abafid etisenia ye call Cameroon match ba kokurawo African Cup AFCON yentimi anhye. This time you bit me losing in a draw club them. You bit me losing already your coach. Ninsano Ejumano you of Blasters already your coach no or your suspect. Ketting your papa the Blasters and Fasua Wunyano or no one in the call for managing Blasters in the and Fasua Wunyano no more share. Now, me playing in Ankasa Blasters players a flow ma. I also mushe players be. All senses I have them. Ghana or talent, Ghana or players. Champions League yes, any confederations cup yes. Ghana players all over Africa. Ghana players all over Africa. Ghana players, talent if you local boys in the talent war. And now Ghana players were Bruchilia. Oma ye flew on a new Munkwana wa Bruchilo. A being same for Blasters. Blasters and any players in Nanya. No, Untimin can't say the lives of Kudus and the party money, Jordan Mono, they are not good. You can't say that. Would be no. They are pencil more say when they are more former. Fantastic. But you see you more players or see they can't no more pop Blasters me. Or you understand? So Blasters players you deserve so much. Number 1 selection. Players maybe in ball poche will be play. Goalkeeping is also assistant. Confident Champions League we show ye Ali ne Mediama goalkeeper no. Despite we conceded 3 goals or a good goalkeeper. One goalkeeping. Ne won chere me say we goalkeeping. Goalkeeping is at work. We bit me fine. We bit me normal goalkeeper now na mo a. Ebi ma and we did that go football it mission about I mean your talent na nkasa say with the ball ni da mediama goalkeeper ne antes ni PPR all in one boy greatest team in Africa elal onye easy team e o Cairo what's ono ko the save mediama nyasa nka mediama be more than today the goalkeeper ni good that chain you good for blasters you beat me at the blasters a chain at TV attention kono your man chance you na go no ye share no kra no order enye blasters na o mu sheda o ka see ma player bi chance player ni good anye the client no man chance no a sheda ankoyi a wose o see ka see ankoyi goalkeeper bi e share no but you goalkeeper papa any goalkeeper fun goalkeepers o mo nyaade e bi ni goalkeepers o mo blasters cheni nim go dachen o mu nyina so far wala court o timini mediama goalkeeper we natural na go abluchiri na wonya abluchiri susu nim onya go ibi na Scotland goalkeeper yi atizigi abluchiri na wonya ko o timini mediama goalkeeper ni na go onye good in China ena ofo wi ni say wonu suta wo mu nyina afia goalkeeping onu say South Africa we goalkeeping say na say order na no ihe boy toilet an order be o ti say o hwe ayi na goalkeeper bi o Ghana ha say ni ayi league ni betem for goalkeeper Idrisu say am to call Tanzania Azam that boy natural onim go down onim or height or be o man a chance well I mean go ayi unya goalkeeper trainer papa enya Richard Kensel a unya goalkeeper trainer papa wada ye blasters no a wonim senka blasters here goalkeeper papa na say goalkeepers papa but one also the goalkeeping you want blasters on your politics Richard Kensel no a goalkeeper trainer no or the politics go as a goalkeeper no bibi mano and also onu mu bibi and or recommended the be said these are the goalkeepers are Ghana here but then no Richard Kensel no a goalkeeper trainer of blasters on your papa because on teaming my competition of blasters goalkeeping set 3 goalkeepers we pa na your blasters goalkeepers the whole Ghana there and na Richard Kensel your papa on your correct onim goalkeeping obi a wada blasters goalkeeping da wada ko World Cup Richard Kensel wolili enim goalkeeping mu enya me nwanwa Samuel Jane go that channel but on say unya lock and a Ghana for tower china order blasters in but what retire we and we blasters goalkeeping trainer there ka wo Richard Kensel also come my competition of goalkeeping for but o dey ratizigi any walokot ni bakui ofori I mean omunye the best for Ghana ana unhunna
okay
you good goalkeeper what me abua the day it a very important blaster selection no a very important Professor blasters goalkeeping selection any players a flow no players need being sent fata we also a fair players you players munya bad selection no yenya free and fair selection sa agency selection ni players are and go for manage you mo to two blasters now move from any na moa 1 p.m. you better to aso e will fire for fire
me da say
1 p.m.
Okay, Patrick Osage, my countryman, so good. The fireman, yet the Comotruche and Comode, Anna Edebo, Subaton, Dija, and the Bible was Sunyamia Duma, and we are Catabans, Mr. and Washadum TV Bones, Patrick Osage, my Jim, out there in Comono, 8 years back. Kingdom, Heba, Mr. and so, and after Kingdom, capsules and so and also Ebwa, but more than that, sounds a bit like New Kingdom, and simple capsules in the Memedro, a man told the command Memana, Ube whom for so Bema Swishes, Edwin Snauta, Ubun Sampa, oh boy, Juma best don't show Hani actually, Ube now. So the tremendous capsules also Samba, and also Ebwa for the treatment of candidiasis, white feet and Asudipua, a proper hifio, Emma watch, also ye Nika, and I feel to be a pese, Ubicum, a hobby, and I feel Kingdom, a home estate, and so any shells on Quetian Samba, myself, more than that, sounds a bit betia ka mo hyehyɛ bi on facility no chese service bi say CCTV cameras so available, electricity na fe light and afi so standby generator wa ebo ma manfo so sebe so enya baby pa etimi asatra kingdom father ma na de san share so queen etimi asaba ekropon right after Lata Junction no onsa ebetimi akom for kingdom 4053614991 053614991 na for ne kingdom herbal center for pay for ntwetwenkomo na onsa ka enu bi onsa ka do bi a onsa beka kingdom home estate edan papa bi na also etua sa to akwatem amosum etua sa dwe mu ene sponsor se techiri bo amena no penso ye de awokensi mu sempa ensaka etime jao within the profit ke wala sa gudi cash back open the